Bakit napatay?
Nabinibidyo ako pala?
According to you, I've done this before, so we know it's possible. You're half the age of you say.
Ayun niya gagat ko ng kambing.
Ano no, apot bulan no, pero silang busy.
Partner, you tell me.
Kala ko ay kung silang kita dito.
Let's go.
Pero may busy no ah. Saka may gabihan.
Yung mga matupong ang lagay, wala man lang problema ba?
How are you?
Good. Okay, group up on the way to where we're going.
Ay, wala po tapos ba?
I gotta ask you.
Ha?
Who told us all things the way they were?
Why pa?
Oh, no. Wise man once told me, don't ask questions you don't want to know the answer to. I said that, didn't I? Yes, sir.
Here they are.
What are they?
Jetpacks.
Jetpacks. No. We're not doing jetpacks. There's a reason we don't have these things in the future. Okay, we gotta drive. And drive to Florida from Manhattan in 5 hours, cheap. Yeah, we can. They're red buttons, standard issue, in every MIB car. You press the red button, goes into hyperdrive. No red buttons yet, Slick. Come on, man. Do you even know how to work this stupid thing? Like with anything. Just have to strap yourself in and hope for the best. Isn't that right, Miss O? You ready, Slick?